My dear student and learner, today we are going to the last session of MCQ GTU PhD पेपर सॉल्यूशन। जो मेरे नए साथीदार आए हैं उसको गुजारिश है कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और ये घंटी बजा दीजिए। तब जब भी मैं यहाँ से घंटी बजाऊंगा तो आपके मोबाइल की घंटी भी तुरंत ही बज जाएगी। देखते हैं आज कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही ज्यादा रिसर्च के बेसिस पे। Concept which cannot be given operational definition are blank concepts, verbal, oral, hypothetical और operational. The things कि जिसके पास कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं है कि कैसे करे वो नहीं बता दिया तो उसको बोलते हैं hypothetical concept, जो सोचा हुआ है। Blank is a way to systematically solve the research problem, technique, operations, research methodology or research process. ज़्यादातर methodology is most important. So research methodology is a way to systematically solve the research problem. A system of systematically interrelated concepts, definitions, and propositions that are advanced to explain and predict phenomena is known as theory. Empirical verifiable observation is fact, थ्योरी, वैल्यू और स्टेटमेंट। एम्पेरिकल्स में क्या होता है, नंबर्स होते हैं। सो आई कैन से इट इज अ फैक्ट। रिसर्च अंडरटेकन फॉर नॉलेज शेक इज अ प्योर रिसर्च, एक्शन रिसर्च, पायलट स्टडी और सर्वे। दिस इज प्योर रिसर्च। Scientific method is committed to neutrality, ethics, propositions, or objectivity. That's objectivity. That should be some objective. Facts or informations are analyzed and critical evaluation is made in survey, action research, analytical research, or pilot study. So conclusion comes in analytical research. Motivational research is a type of blank research. It's quantitative research, qualitative research, pure research, or applied research. It is a qualitative research. Research which follow the case study method is called clinical or diagnostic, casual, analytical, or qualitative. So that is clinical or diagnostic. Identifying a cause of a problem and possible solutions to the problem is field study, diagnostic study, action study, or pilot study. So that is known as a diagnostic study, is to find the problem and to solve it. Which of the following is an example of primary data? Book, journal, newspaper, census report. The newspaper, I think, is a primary data. Which of the following is a funding agency for the sponsored research project? RBI, DST, All Nationalized Bank, or Press Trust of India? Then is it direct DST, Director of Science and Technology. Converting a question into a researchable problem is called solution, examinations, problem solutions, or problem solving. So converting the question into research problem, that is, and problem formulations. The formulated problem should have originality, values, coherence, or facts. It should have some originality. A blank is an abstraction formed by the generalization from particular concept. Concept are blank of research. Concept are guide, tool, methods or variable. So concept are tools for the research. ये हमारे tools है. Analogies are a source of data, concept, research, or hypothesis. So analogies are a source of hypothesis. Propositions which describe the characteristic are blank hypothesis. Describe. So it is descriptive, imaginations, relational, or variable. It is descriptive hypothesis. A hypothesis contributes to the development of theory, generalization, evolution, or concept. So hypothesis is thinking. It's used for theory. The chief merit of the survey is adaptability, sensibility, connectivity, or versatility. So in the survey, we are getting from the different places. So it is versatility. The final stage of survey is calculation, field work, assignment, or reporting. The final stage is nothing but it is reporting. The report submitted when there is a time lag between the data collection and presentation of the result is called thesis, interim report, summary report, or article. So this is in between. So it is called as the interim reports. Blank is called a publication in the research journal, guide, popular report, a research article, or a format. So research article is called as a publication in research journal. Bibliography generally includes footnote, quotations, list of book referred, or bibliography. So bibliography is nothing but a reference, this list of referred book. So these are the last videos for this paper. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you like that, then share, like, and subscribe. And if you want more videos such, then also tell me. I can include it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.